Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful friendship band. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, cutter, a piece of cardboard and fabric glue. To do this friendship band, first we will take 5 pieces of thread in same color and then we will follow this graph to do this friendship band. So now let's see how to do them. Take a piece of cardboard sheet and place these 5 strands of yarn which we have cut on the top of this cardboard sheet like this. Take the next color. First we have to paste this color in this cardboard sheet using the fabric glue. So after pasting this, place the 5 thread which we have cut on the top of this cardboard sheet and we are going to twist them 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it looks like this. Next we are going to follow the graph. So if you see in this graph, the shaded part should come top. So this shaded part are these red color thread and unshaded part are this green color thread. So for F, first if you see, I have marked it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which denotes these 5 threads. So first 5 threads you have to keep up. So we will take all the 5 threads up and make one twist with this green color. Next, if you see the second thing, the first thread and the third thread should be up. So these two are the shaded part, others are non-shaded part. So if you see this first thread we will take up and the third thread. So this is the second thread we will leave and third thread we will take up. And these are 4th and 5th thread. So these should be down. Again we will make one round. So likewise for the third time same thing. First and the third thread should be top. Again first and the third thread should be top. So we have to do this 3 times. We have done 1, 2 and 3. Next we will bring both the threads down, twist them 2 times. 1, 2. So now if you see we have done the F. Next we will do R. So if you see first all the shaded part, so we have to take all the threads top and make one round. And next one if you see the first one and the third one should be at the top. So we'll take the first one and the third one to the top and rest of the thread down and make one round. Next if you see first one, third one and fourth one. So already first one and third one is at the top. We'll take the fourth one also at the top and we'll make one round. So next if you see first one, third one and the fifth one. So we will bring back the fourth one down and the fifth one top. We will make one round. And next if you see only the second one is at the top. So we'll bring all the thread down and we will take the second one to the top and we will make a round. Next, bring this second one down, make 2 rounds, 1 and 2. So if you see, now we are done with R. And next, if you see, we are going to do the I. So first and the 5th thread should be in the top. First and the 5th thread in the top and make 1 twist. Next, all the threads top and do 1 twist. Next, first and the 5th thread should be in the top. Make 1 twist. Next, bring all the thread down. Make 2 rounds. 1, 2. Now we have completed I. Next we are going to do the E. That is, first all the 5 threads should be top and do 1 round. Next, take the first thread, then the 3rd thread and 5th should be top. First, 3rd and 5th. So we have to do 3 rounds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Then bring all the thread down and do 2 rounds. 1, 2. So if you see, now we have done E. Next we are going to do N. For that, first we have to take all the thread up and do 1 round. Next, only the 2nd thread up. Make a round. Next, 3rd thread up. Next, only the 4th thread up. Make a round. And last, all the threads up. Make a round. Next, bring all the threads down. And you are going to do 2 rounds. 1 and 2. So now we have completed with N. Next, D. First all the 5 threads move up and do 1 round. Next, first and the 5th thread. First one and the 5th one. So we have to do them 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Next, take 2nd, 3rd, 4th. 2nd, 3rd, 4th thread top and 1st and 5th thread down. Make 1 round. Next, bring all the threads down. Make 2 rounds. 1, 2. So now we are done with D. Next, you can make 4 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can paste this using fabric glue here. So after pasting them, it looks like this. Next you can cut this cardboard. Now your friendship band is ready. The friendship band looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.